To make a Venmo account without a phone number, you will need to use a computer and follow a series of steps. First, go to the Venmo website and click on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide your email address, which will serve as your username. Next, you will be prompted to create a password and provide some basic information such as your name and zip code. After filling out this information, click on Sign Up to create your account. You will then be taken to a page where you can add a funding source, such as a bank account or credit card. This will allow you to add money to your Venmo account and make payments. To verify your account, you will need to confirm your email address by clicking on a link that Venmo sends to you. This is an important step, as it helps to ensure the security of your account. Once you have verified your email address, you can start using your Venmo account to make payments and send money to friends. It is worth noting that while you can create a Venmo account without a phone number, you will still need to provide some form of identification to use the service. This can be a driver's license or state ID, and is used to comply with federal regulations. By following these steps, you can create a Venmo account without a phone number and start using the service to make payments and send money to friends. Remember to always follow best practices for online security, such as using a strong password and keeping your account information up to date. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done by going to the settings page and enabling two-factor authentication. Overall, creating a Venmo account without a phone number is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined above and using best practices for online security, you can start using Venmo to make payments and send money to friends with confidence.